Why is setting financial goals so crucial? Well, imagine setting out on a journey without a destination in mind. You'd just be wandering aimlessly, wouldn't you? The same concept applies to your finances. Setting financial goals provides a clear direction for your money. It helps you prioritize your spending, save wisely, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Today, we're going to delve into this concept, exploring the process of setting short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. Firstly, let's look at short-term financial goals. These are goals that you can achieve in a year or less. They could range from saving for a vacation, paying off a small debt, or even starting an emergency fund. The process is simple. Start by identifying what you want to achieve, quantify it in monetary terms, and then create a plan to save towards it. Remember, it's essential to be realistic and specific with your goals. Moving on to medium-term financial goals. These are goals that you aim to achieve within 1 to 5 years. Maybe you're thinking about buying a new car, saving for a down payment on a house, or funding your education. Similar to short-term goals, identify what you want, quantify it, and then make a plan. However, with medium-term goals, consider investments that offer higher returns than a simple savings account. Lastly, we have long-term financial goals. These are goals that will take more than 5 years to achieve. They include saving for retirement, paying off your mortgage, or building wealth for future generations. The process of setting long-term goals involves more strategic planning. You need to consider inflation and the time value of money. Investing in assets that appreciate over time or provide a steady income stream is advisable. Now, irrespective of the term of your financial goals, always remember the SMART criteria. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This ensures that your goals are clear, realistic, and keep you motivated. To summarize, setting financial goals is like charting a course for a ship. It gives direction to your money and helps you achieve financial freedom. The process involves identifying what you want to achieve, quantifying it in monetary terms, and creating a plan to save or invest towards it. Short-term goals focus on immediate needs, medium-term goals on what you aim to achieve within a few years, and long-term goals focus on your financial future. And always remember to make your goals SMART. So consider today as the perfect day to set your financial goals. Remember, every journey, even a financial one, begins with a single step. The sooner you start, the closer you'll be to achieving your financial dreams.